everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Ang dami natin ngayong Dawn Bell. Ay, kasama. Diyos ko, akala ko Dawn is priority Bell. Diyos ko, akala ko iba yung ka-date ni Bell. Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako for today's video. Please don't do that to me, Please. Ay, chinichismis nyo, ha? O ano ngayon? Ayan! Sa ABS-CBN Ball pala talaga ang babasag ng mga chismis. Kahit ang Kim Pao, hard launch, malala, hindi mo kaya. Ay, hello! Ganda ng gown nyo. That's very Belle. Hindi siya nag-yellow, no? That's very Belle, Donnie. Simplicity is beauty. I love that. You're my girl. Okay. Ang gwapo naman. Ang gwapo ni Dan. Nakakainis. Gwapo no. Ay! Oh my God! Ang tinginan na nagmamahalan for today's video. Hindi mo kaya. Never thought it would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. Aww, I love that. Okay. Pak, ang ganda ni Belle. Oh my God. Oh, the preparation. Okay. Kiss me. Okay. Oh, yes. What's next? Ay, ito na. Si Donnie, sunod. Si Donnie. Ano talaga si Donnie for today's video? Sa totoo lang. Ay, bakit nawala? Nakakainis naman. Ituloy na natin. Naputol ako. Dito tayo naputol sa tinginan ng magjowang to. Charis. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay, napuputol talaga tayo for today's video. Ang bigat kasi ng ano na yan, video. Mabigat siya. Tingin. Ay. May Dawn Bell heart for today's video. Iyak ako sa kanila. Unang love team na ginagawan ko ng reaction video is the Dawn Bell, if I'm not mistaken. Kaya mahal ko ang Dawn Bell. I won't forget Dawn Bell. I started them yung sa Magandang Buhay din. Ay, basta. Ay, kiss me naman pala for today's video. Kiss me. You kiss me. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Okay, what's next? Ay, si Donnie, dito pala tayo nag-stop kanina, sorry. Nagulat talaga ako dito kay JK. Akala ko iba ang kadate ni Belle. Akala ko talaga akla. Nakakaloka. Ganda ng gown niya. Very ano siya. Very Belle, actually. Very Belle ang kanyang gown. I love it. Ganda ng gown niya. Very Belle. Diba? Love it. Love the song, ha? Ganda ng mga kuha. Gwapo ni Donnie, oh. Ano kayang design dito sa may ni Donnie, yung etiquette? Diba? Ay, hello. Ganda ni Belle. My God, ang ganda ni Belle. Super ganda ni Belle. Ang gown niya very Belle talaga. Ay, ang dami. Ang dami picture. Okay, anyways. Ay, hello. Taking pictures together. Ginawa na naman yung gesture niya na hinayaan niya si Belle. Go, Belle. Ginawa niya na naman. As always. Patingin ako ng tingin to Belle. Yes, okay. Dinidirect niya si Belle. Dinidirect niya si Belle. Alam mo, nakikitaan ko talaga to ng potential mag-director si Donnie. Yung movie niya, ang ganda ng movie niya. Yung mga color grading. Ganda ng mga shots nun. Di ba siya sa mga nag-direct doon? Siyang director nun or producer, I don't know. Donnie Belle is she's gonna end. And they're gonna start the project very soon. Oh.
Mabigat siya. Yeah.
Mabigat.
You know what? I'll do anything for this gown. But I know this is Francis Libiran, right?
Oh, very Francis talaga.
Talk about the concept. I wanna go.
What's the concept? Go, Donnie, go ahead.
Ay,
No, kasi we wanted to ask...
si Donnie talaga. Eh? With the concept? Gusto talaga ni Donnie mag-shine si Belle, no? Halata talaga. Gustong-gusto niya talaga mag-shine si Belle. Ay, ano nangyari? Bakit nawala? Anyways, baka photo lang yan.
Pangilinan and Belle Mariano always looking sharp and elegant.
True. I couldn't agree more. Ang perfect.
Here they are. Donnie, I love that kind of trace of a sideways face, a profile on his suit jacket, and I love the eyes, yeah.
I'm gonna call another trend for men. Brooches.
Brooches, well, here you go.
I see
Raho
a
and I
trend.
are
I'm
part
gonna
of that
call it,
trend.
guys. If you're gonna go on the red carpet, wear the jewelry. Bling is in for men, guys.
Yes.
Masculine jewelry, jewelry for men. It's a trend. I'm
It's
calling
a trend
it.
for
That's a trend.
tonight. And of
Jewelry,
course,
okay,
this
it's a trend.
lilac Baby blue combination. I've seen a few of them on the red carpet. I'm calling this as a
Bongga.
trend.
Ang ganda ng looks dito ni Belle kasi very simple. The hair, the makeup, perfect. Hindi siya na over. Perfect.
You know, what I love about Belle's look, so she worked with Francis Libiran, is it
Oo.
as usual, and Francis worked apparently, according to Adrian Concepcion, with a metalsmith.
Metalsmith.
For the flowers that you see here, tapos encrusted pa ng Swarovski.
Yes.
So, ka-delicate. Oh, it's heavy! But she makes it look light, no?
Ay, di ba yung makeup artist ni Belle yan? It's all metal.
Yes.
Hey. Pak. Okay. Eh. Manuit. Yes. Lalaki si Donnie. Lalaki si Donnie. Ay, the grand entrance of the expensive couple. Oh, I love it. It's really giving, right? Diba? I love it. Mula! Sabi na pula! Tama! Ganda ni Ben. Anyways, there you go guys. That is it for today's video. The Dawn Bell compilation in ABS-CBN Wall. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!